gagawin yan, pipili sila doon sa mga members ng Congress. O, babalik na naman tayo kay Martin doon. So, baka nga ganun yung gusto nilang gawin, no? Hindi na sila masusunod sa Constitution para na that is something I have to think about again as well. So, yun. The PSG, now PSC, is a unit of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Its mandate, President and family, Vice President and family. Why? Because there is a line of succession. You need to protect your reserve. Wala doon sa usapan ang Philippine National Police.
Super last po from OVP Media. Based on the DBM COA Joint Circular, OVP and DepEd violated our rule on confidential funds when you allowed security officers to handle them instead of special dispersing officers. What's your reaction?
Sorry ha, ulitin mo yung tanong.
Based on DBM COA Joint Circular, OVP and DepEd violated our rule on confidential funds when you allowed security officers to handle them instead of special dispersing officers. What's your reaction po?
Sino nagsabi?
Based ma'am sa DBM COA Joint Circular.
Kaya nga, sino nagsabi nung nabase doon ay may violation?
This is question from Sir JC from OVP Media po. I'll ask po.
Oo, but someone has to have said kung balikan nyo na lang.
Balikan natin. Last one from Mr. Joliver Arquiza.
Good afternoon again, ma'am. Balikan ko lang yung local, no? On a local front. I can see former Mayor Beng Clima po nandito ngayon. And it is a public knowledge na nung last election, isa siya or kundi siya lang yung bukuntangin talaga na pinakita yung suporta sa'yo bilang sa pagtakbo ng Vice President. And now she is running under a group na kumbaga kalaban ng sinasabi niyong hindi niyo kilala na kongresista.
Okay, na ako si Kimmer.
So since nandun si Mayor Beng sa grupong yon, is it safe to say na kung mag-endorse po kayo ng candidate locally, of course, kasama dyan si Mayor Beng at yung kasama ba yung buong partido niya at yung kalaban ng sinasabi niyo hindi niyo kilala for Mayor. Thank you po.
Oh, okay. Yes. Sige. Well, kung meron pa mang value ang words ko dito sa Zamboanga City at